Hello everyone, my name is Neha Pantong Danavle from Bristol Training Institute, and I am going to share this technical video on drug discovery and drug development. First of all, what is drug? Drug is a new chemical substance which helps to diagnose, mitigate, treatment, or prevent the disease condition. Then drug discovery. Drug discovery is a process which involves the designing and developing a new chemical entity which helps in treatment of disease. But in olden times, drug discovery includes the extraction of medicinal component, medicinal component from natural source. Before drug discovery, there is a pre-discovery phase in which scientists discover the root cause of disease that helps them to find out the drug that helps to find the drug. In ancient time, we used the natural substance as a medicinal product, but in presently, the majority of products uh, are come from chemical source. Majority of drug are come from the chemical source in present days. Uh, there are Because of that, this drug discovery process is costly, complex, and time consuming process. Uh, this drug discovery process involves the four steps or four phases. First one is target identification, second is target validation, third is lead compound identification, and lead optimization. First, we know about the target identification. Uh, the name indicates the target, so we have to find out or identify the target, or it may be gene or protein which is responsible for, or it is reason for the disease condition. Then target validation. After the target identification, scientists must confirm that this target is the potential cause of disease condition. Then lead compound identification. The name indicates the lead compound is a new chemical substance with pharmacological and therapeutic activity or effect. This lead compound is obtained with the help of natural source or chemical entities, or with help of chemical studies. In chemical studies, there are hundreds or thousands of compounds are discovered at a time, and with the help of screening method, we we separate the compound which having a pharmacological and therapeutic activity to the disease condition. Then drug development. This drug development process includes two phases, which is clinical trials and preclinical trials. First, we know about the preclinical trials. These preclinical trials mainly done in animals. Before uh, before the before trial, we have to get permission from the animal ethical committee, and after the approval of this committee, we can introduce the drug in animals. This preclinical study mainly concerns with the safety, toxicity, pharmacokinetic, and pharmacodynamic of drug. This study mainly done in animal for specifically toxicity to check the toxicity of drug. Then this study is mainly done in vivo and in vitro studies. In vivo includes within the body of animal, and in vitro includes the out of the body at a laboratory level with the help of tissue, or the help of tissue or any cell, the help of any tissue or cell. Then clinical trials. Mainly this before the clinical trial, we have to get permission from the IND, which is the investigational new drug application. After the approval from the regulatory body, we can introduce the drug, or we perform the clinical trial in human subject. This includes the four phases. First one is phase 0. This phase includes about 0 to 20 healthy volunteers, and this study is mainly concerned with the microdosing microdosing. Then we also concerned with the safety and effectiveness of drug. Uh, then the preclinical study, uh, then the preclinical studies. Then phase one. This includes the about 20 to 80 volunteers, and this study is mainly concerned with the safety profile of the drug. Then phase two. This phase two includes the 80 to 300 drugs. 80 to 300 volunteers a patient, and this study mainly this study mainly concerned with the effectiveness of drug and how drug is effective to the human subject. Then phase 3. This phase 3 includes the 300 to 3000 patients, and in phase 4 that the uh, we confirms the safety and efficacy of drug. Then there is a phase 4, which is also known as post marketing surveillance. After the FDA's approval, the drug comes in market, and for the this post marketing surveillance is mainly done to check the long term safety of drug. Then uh, that's all for today. Thank you.